Hi everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to purchase a custom domain and link it to your SpreadSimple website. A domain is your website's name, and it's essential for building trust. When someone hears about your company and wants to find it online, a custom domain makes it super easy. When you create a website, SpreadSimple provides you with a default domain, but you can link your own domain, either by purchasing a new one or using an existing one. In this video, we'll show you how to buy a domain, and then we'll configure it so your SpreadSimple website can be accessed with that domain. Let us start by picking a domain name. For that, you will need to go to a domain registrar. For this example, we'll use Namecheap, but you can choose any registrar that suits you. We've already selected the name we want to buy. Many domain names are taken, so finding an available one can be tricky. However, if the name is unique, it should be pretty straightforward. So now let's search for our chosen domain, and it's available. We can buy it for this price shown here. So we add it to the cart, and we're not going to choose any additional options. Let's proceed to the cart. Now let's check for final details. There is no need for any extra features here. Now we can continue to payment. Here we just need to fill in the necessary info and complete the purchase. Once the payment is complete, we'll see our domain in the Namecheap dashboard under Domain List. Here it is. Now let's go and configure it in SpreadSimple. Go to your website editor and click Change Domain to open the domain settings. We'll toggle on Connect your own domain and enter the domain name. I'm copying it and pasting it here, then clicking Update. We now see a notification that says Awaiting DNS configuration. This means we need to adjust the settings in our domain registrars panel so that our site opens using this domain. Let's go back to the Namecheap panel, find our domain, and click Manage. Go to Advanced DNS to add the necessary settings. We will add a new A record as instructed. Copy and paste the IP address from SpreadSimple, and input an @ in the host field. And finally click Save. Add the CNAME record for 3W version pointing to go.spread.name. This step is completely optional. DNS records can take some time to update, and sometimes it takes up to 12 hours depending on your registrar. So give it a bit of time. Then refresh SpreadSimple's domain settings to check if it's updated. Once everything is set, we can publish our website and access it with your custom domain. Thanks for watching and happy building!